Hey traders, good morning. Today is Friday, May 16th, 2025. Another grind higher. Another day closer to that big psychological magnet, 6,000 on the ES. The market is pushing again, and the question is this the last leg or just the next one? Let's break down the market context. ES is pressing into 529.55 and showing no signs of slowing. NQ has reclaimed 21,400. VIX is falling again. Tech leaders like NVDA, TSLA, and BABA are leading the charge. So the trend is strong, but the higher we go, the thinner the air gets. This is where traders get trapped, either chasing highs too late or fading strength too early. Here are the key levels I'm watching. ES support at 59.12, resistance at 59.80 and 6,000. NQ support at 21,200, resistance at 21,600. SPY support at 590.40, resistance at 596 Doro. QQQ support at 519.20, resistance at 525.75. Let's lay out both sides of the game plan. Bullish case: if ES breaks through 59.80 with strong internals, the 6,000 magnet could pull quickly. Follow relative strength in tech and stay aligned with a falling VIX. Bearish case: if we see a sharp rejection from 59.80 or a midday reversal, that could mark the start of the long-awaited pullback. Watch for failed breakouts and lower highs on the 5 to 15 minute charts. Mindset tip of the day: extended markets can stay irrational longer than you can stay short. Don't fight the trend. Wait for exhaustion, wait for confirmation, then strike with precision. And don't forget, we're live every morning on Discord and YouTube, walking through setups in real time. First 30 days are totally free. Join us. Link in the description. Trade smart, stay patient. I'll see you live.